Yo, 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 good morning guys, good morning. How's everybody doing today? How's everybody doing, guys? Hope you're all doing well. How is everybody doing, guys? Yes, I'm doing a New York stream. I am doing a New York stream today. Oh shit. I had something come up this morning, so unfortunately I could not be trading our pre-New York. So let's trade New York. Let's get some action today. I think we're gonna maybe have some action. I see a potential nice move coming up on Nasdaq, maybe this New York session. So yeah. Let's see what's gonna happen, and we're just gonna roll with it. We are going to roll with it. Yeah. I did take a trade during Asia sesh, guys. Yeah, I did take a trade during Asia session. Reason you can see the profits on the screen, but I haven't traded today, London or pre-New York. So let's hope maybe we can get something. Maybe we can get something. So other than that, let's get the chat up and rolling on the screen as usual. Today's more of a test, guys. I want to see how the New York stream's gonna go with the amount of people jumping on. So let's see how this New York stream is gonna go today, guys. And if it goes really well, we might start doing more New York streams, yeah, on YouTube. Yeah. Sweet. Nifo, good morning. How are you doing? New York stream. All right, guys, New York session. So obviously, the New York does open in an hour, but maybe we can get a pre-New York scalp. Maybe, or we can just wait. We can wait until that New York open. So let's see what we get. Yeah, let's see what we get, chat. Just make sure you guys can see me clearly. Cool. So guys, morning Maratino, so with it out. yeah. Unfortunately, guys, I had to change the stream schedule this morning. I had something come up and I had to sort it out. But of course, I'm gonna still show up for you guys every day, right? Every day, all day. Every day, all day, bro. Yeah, for the person that won the free mentorship in my community, I didn't reach out to them just yet. I'm still trying to make a decision because the person that I want to give it to, I need to make sure it's the right one. Yeah. I'm going to bring up the names today on the stream who will be in that giveaway for sure. And I need to figure out how I'm going to do it. I don't just want to pick and choose because it's going to be quite biased if I do that. I want to just maybe do like some sort of game to it. There's no rush right now. My community is kicking off properly next week, right? Next week is when my community is kicking off properly. I'm going to be streaming every day inside of the Discord as well. I've been slacking at it right now, if I want to be completely honest. I'm just busy building something on the side for that community, and then we're going to get the community rocking and rolling, right? Because I want to put my all in it. I already did a webinar with the community the other day. It went really well. Dropped some really great knowledge in there, but I want to do more consistent webinars, more consistent live trading with the group. Just want to add a ton of value in there. But other than that, let's do a quick little breakdown, guys. How's everybody doing? I want to talk about what happened on NQ. I'm on the daily time frame currently, but guys, what we spoke about yesterday happened. We spoke about NQ coming into previous week low, and it did that. So to all those guys that are on the stream with me yesterday saying, oh, you're going to learn the cam, it's going to buy, good luck, dude, blah, blah. What happened to you guys? Because for all I know, price sold off, didn't it? And then it started consolidating. So yeah, I told you guys, just that previous week low needs to be taken out, and it got taken out, as we can see, right? That previous week low got taken out yesterday. So that was nice to see that, as we can see over there. It came and tapped it and we closed back above. It looks as if we're trying to get back above the daily EMA, which this could indicate a reversal to all-time highs again. Now, if we get a reversal to all-time highs again, I am going to stack accounts and I'm going to start copy trading a shit ton of accounts, because if we're going to start reversing into all-time highs again, guys, that's the time to start buying challenges, because you're just going to buy, and the chances of you passing are going to be high. So guys, if we get this reversal coming up today or tomorrow, next week might be a bullish week again, which we love bullish weeks, don't we? Because we just keep buying and we keep winning. So looking at the daily, okay, today's closure is going to be very, very important for me, because noticing how we sold off into in previous week's low, grab those lows, and now we're getting back above that EMA. If today's daily candle closes above EMA, guys, there's a high probability tomorrow and next week is going to run into all-time highs again. Right up the top here, you can see I've got 30,000. That's a target I want to see NQ come either, I don't know if it's going to happen today. I mean, if it does, that will be quite interesting. But today, tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, I want to see price come up into the 30,000s. And if we can break above and hold above 30,000, all-time highs are going to come again. Yeah. Toxic. Nvidia has good news. We hit all-time high. Yeah, dude. Was OPEX last night? Can we touch lows? What today? Give a... Yo, Rohan. Good morning. Good morning, brother. Yeah, maybe I do a duck race today. Who knows? Let's see. Maybe I do the duck race to get a duck race today. Yeah. Okay, so all right. So guys, daily time frame. Grab previous week lows. We close back above. Yeah, I'm actually really glad we didn't trade our normal time today, because price has been consolidating, guys. I mean, look at, yeah, we probably would have got trapped somehow. But we literally consolidated for like, I don't know, so many hours, right, in this range. We're finally breaking out of it to the upside. I do want to see longs, guys. I want to see buys this New York session. I don't know how far we could push, but I want to see longs. I do have previous week high. What was that previous week? Yeah, sorry, that's correct. I want to maybe we come into last week's high, guys, which is sitting at the 29,800 area, and then above us at 30,000. So the draw on liquidity is quite high for this thing to really push higher now. Okay, not saying we can't pull back, we can, but noticing how we grabbed previous week's lows, we ranged, and now we're breaking out of it back to the upside above EMA. We had the 4-hourly close as well above EMA. We also had an inside bar. As we can see, that I love inside bars, right? We had an inside bar on the 4-hourly that we've broken as well, pushing to the upside. So this could be a reversal to go long again, okay? I'm confident, I won't lie. Yo, Ruin up 1,500 on his 50k, all thanks to the win. That's insane, bro. Vista Forex, Ruin, dude, that's unbelievable, bro. That's about 30,000 Rand, bro. I know you said you got a challenge, so bro, keep that up, dude. Insane work, man. Insane, dude. Cool, we close back above, yeah. Let's see hourly. What levels do I see on there? Hourly. Still quite noisy to the left, I won't lie. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but I have this level on sitting here. Yeah, that's a level I have sitting on, I would say. Yeah, it's not the cleanest, but that's a level I have on there that we're kind of trading into. So if we can get back above this level, we can definitely see price potentially pushing back higher, right? Maybe up into these levels up there. Yeah, like that. So maybe just keep it like that for now. Keep it simple. I don't want to overdo it, right? I don't want to overdo it. New York session, I really want to keep things extremely simple, man. Right now there is no trade. I mean, notice how the 15 has been trending above EMA, guys. We've been trending above EMA, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? We got back below EMA, we closed back above, and price pushed again into a high of the day. So let's see how price is going to hold around this area of this EMA, but this could maybe be a potential scalp back higher. I would like to see a bullish engulfing, a nice big green candle closing on the 15-minute, right, in order to take along to go higher. Yeah. Let's see, chat. Let's see, guys. Drop a like if you have not already. Let's run the likes up. Come on, if you're not, just support me by liking the stream. It means a lot to me every time you guys hit that like button. For the time being, guys, 15 minutes pulling back. That 5. Yeah. Let's see. Let's just watch, guys. You should be patient and see. I will enter a long if I see it for sure, though. I'm not going to hesitate today, to be honest. I'm happy to risk at least some of my profit I made already today. I'm happy to put some risk on the table for sure of my current profit. So yeah, Nifa, you said to me that you got chopped up yesterday at the New York Open. Yeah, that first 15 minutes price rallied yesterday to the I watched it. Wild. You like the new music? Yeah, I'm gonna change the music now and then. I'm gonna change the music now and then for sure. Toxic FX, bro. Did you receive your funded account, your challenge account, bro? I just want to check. I think it was you. Okay, let me just send a text now, quick. Hold on, bro. I'm gonna send a message for you quickly. Just give me a second. Okay. All right. 5-minute closing back above EMA potentially. What's the 15 saying? I wonder if I can split the screen. I think I can. Layout. Oh. No, that's horrible. Sorry, guys. That's horrible. It actually won't work. Okay, cool. Let's see. Previous 15 grabbed highs, close back bearish. Could be a pullback. Guys, if we can have if this 5-minute candle can close bullish, I might look to scalp. Hit that like, yeah, hit that like, team. Hit that like, bro. I feel like a very chilled sesh today, if you guys. Nothing super crazy. Yeah, I feel like a very chilled sesh today. I can already see a lot of the guys aren't even on the stream yet. I can see it's going to be a slow stream today, but that's cool. Having a chilled stream today, it's nice. It's nice. I like to have a chilled stream. Okay, that 5 minutes about to close. So if we can break the high of this current 5-minute candle, guys, I'm gonna just probably take a small position along. I'm gonna go 1 mini for now, guys. Just 1 mini, nothing crazy. But we have to break. Oh, now if this candle flips, that'll be even better. I want to see this current 5-minute candle flip. It would be. You guys could even put a buy stop sitting at the top of this previous 5 minutes. I'll just enter manually though, like I always do. But it has to break. It has to break, man. That's the entry. I know it is pre-New York right now, okay? I mean, we're at the New York session. It's just that it's just a pre-New York open, so there is volume for sure to take a trade. Okay, no entry on this one right now, guys. Look how... that's why it's so important to wait, man, for that candle to break. Because if I entered just to buy there, I would have got stopped out now. Yes, there is a reason I didn't trade, brother. I had something come up, dude. Also, the markets this morning, it was just ranging so much, dude. Like, I wanted to wait for it to break out as well. But yeah, I had something come up this morning, guys. The reason I didn't trade, I just changed the time to New York. And it's cool to do a New York sesh. I haven't done a New York sesh with you guys, so. Another question, what would be a safe target for the 45% for my eval? Bro, a safe target? With the eval, you can't make more than 45% of $3,000 in a day, right? Okay. So work out, like, I think that's 1,300, I think, something around there. Just have a look, just put it into ChatGPT or something, just ask. I don't know off the back of my head. But yeah, if you're trying to pass it quick, in like 2-3 days, you can't pass the challenge in like 2 days. You can only pass it in 3. Okay, if you're gonna go quick. The first day you can hit 1,300. The second day you can hit 1,300, and then the third day you just do the 400 extra. Yeah. Bear in mind that there's still a 45% consistency rule on the funded account as well. Huh? But, for example, if you take your first trade on that funded account and let's just say you make $10,000, just for example, you will then need to make about $20,000 in order to request a payout. Which Bailey's good. She's sleeping with my fiance. My fiance's having a nap today. She's not doing so well. Very tired. Bailey's good though. She's good. She's sweet. She's just always looking for food around the house, like every day. Which time frame do I trade? I trade all time frames, but I execute on the 5 minute. You can't force a trend. Yeah, you can't. Yo, look how this thing is rejecting, guys. Oof, this might be an entry too long, huh? Wow. Oh, and we have an inside bar.
Order fill.
Okay, I'm entering a longer. Oh no, dude, what the hell? I'm entering a long. Let's see. I'm risking $400 trade. I'm entering long. We had the 5 minute close back above. This previous 5 minute rejected that EMA and closed as an inside bar. Literally, the candle I just entered right now. Guys, that is probably the shittest trade I've ever taken. What the hell was that, bro? What the actual hell? That inside bar failed me, bro. That inside bar, yeah, I should have limited it, I know, I should have. It's cool, it is what it is, I don't care. That's like the worst entry of all time. As I entered, this thing just absolutely ripped back on me. Yeah, I should have limited for sure. It's not over. It's not over. This thing could just go zunk back up from there. You never know. You never know. But it's cool if I take a loss in this one. I don't care. I'm just risking my profits I made today, so it's cool. End bitch. What was that rubbish, bro? You absolutely just... Yeah, it's definitely not over. Don't worry.
Order
You know what, Ink? You take my money, dude. I don't care. I'm gonna come back for you hard. Don't worry. I'm gonna take that back times 100 more. You know what? You just did me really dirty. Don't worry. I'm going to my next trade. I'm gonna hit it with 2 minis. I'm gonna get back that all piece of shit, Ink. Oh well, we have to wait now. We had a red day yesterday. Yeah, it happens. Part of the game, Nifa. Part of the game. I had a red. Oh, excuse me. I had last week. I had 3 red days. Yeah, and 2 green. Very odd week for sure. Last week. Very odd. I'm doing 20-day challenge. 1 trade a day. I have to follow all my rules, and if you break rules, I have to restart my 20 days. Okay, I like that. But what happens if you finish 20 days? What happens when you finish 20 days is the question. Do you have a reward for yourself? It's not easy, I won't lie. A lot of traders can't even follow 3 days while not breaking their rules. But 20 days, that's a whole month, huh? I rate you can do it for sure. I rate you can do it for sure. Anyone can do it. It's not easy. Does FunderPro pay? Very bad reviews. No, FunderPro doesn't pay, and that's why I trade with them, because I trade not to get paid. Obviously they pay, bro. Obviously they pay. If you follow your rules, like, and if you, if you don't break the rules and you don't do any fishy business, you will get your money, bro. I've never had a rejected payout in my 2 years of trading FunderPro. End of story. Let's move on. Obviously they pay. Oh, okay. After you finish my 20 days, I'm scaling up and using. Oh, appreciate that. Yeah, go for it. Definitely treat yourself to a challenge. I rate, yeah. I rate. You flip your personal account to $1 billion. Yeah, grow that personal account to $1 billion. But yeah, it's always good to, I guess, reward yourself. You know what I mean? Am I organizing a giveaway account? Bro, I'm giving away $2 million today. Cash in your bank account. Yeah. $2 million today I'm giving away. Cash in your bank account. Still nothing, guys. Still nothing. That obviously was a horrible trade, bro. Yeah. Of Vista Forex, yeah, dude. Send me your... No, not PayPal, dude. Unfortunately, if I'm going to send $2 million, it has to be on crypto. We gotta hide from the tax man, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. PayPal though. I didn't even know if PayPal will allow $2 million transfer. I mean, I don't know, maybe. Oh, a funded challenge, right? What? No. I'm sending it on Funder Pro Coin. If you guys don't have a Funder Pro Coin wallet, you should get it. It's great. Pepcoin. Yeah, exactly. It's a joke, by the way. I don't know if you think if I'm being serious. It's a joke. It's a joke, bro. Of course I'm not going to send you $2 million. I'm going to send you $5 million. Of course, man. What time is it in my city? It is 3 p.m. 3 p.m. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I won't lie. I'm grateful, like I can trade London session, and I trade my Wiggly Worm session, and I can trade New York session all in the same day. But the problem with New York session, I don't like trading New York session in the afternoon, because by the time the afternoon comes, I'm so like... In South Africa, there's a term guys use, it's called being a slapgat. Yeah, and by the time it's like 3 p.m, I'm just like, I feel like my day's finished and I have no energy to even, I'm not so focused. No, I have energy, I'm just not so focused on the chart, if that makes sense. You know, I like waking up and trading. I'm more sharper. You know, I'm more focused in the morning. Just ordered my Lambo in advance. Yeah, dude. So how many person are you choosing for the cash? I've already chosen the person, bro. The person I'm choosing is going to be Vista Forex. I'm sending Vista Forex $5 million. It's a joke. It's just a prank. Sorry guys to burst your bubble. It's just a prank. Yo, what is this chart doing though, man? Just go up, bro. Huh. Okay, let's see. That New York volume, come on, man. We're gonna see. Tickets for everyone to the moon. Yeah. Fuck that. I'm not getting on a rocket ship, dude. Sorry. I will never get on a rocket ship to the moon, dude. Sorry. I would rather die peacefully on the planet Earth. No ways in hell, bro. I'm gonna... No, dude. The feeling of being on a rocket ship and exiting Earth's atmosphere and looking back, no, dude, I would be like, get me out of this thing. There's no ways, bro. But I'm sure there's other people in the chat you can take to the moon with you, bro. But I'll watch you guys for sure. Yeah, I'm from SA, bro. I'm from Cape Town. I live in France. I lived in Cape Town for 21 years, bro. I left when I was about 20, 21. Yeah, I call you Elon. Oof, I'm even like... Yeah. Best bet, guys, is to wait for that New York Open to kick in. And wait the first 5-10 minutes, I think. You know what I mean? See, let price choose a direction and we just trade that. My strategy, yo, bro. My strategy, dude. I'm sorry. You need to send me $1 million. I mean, sorry, $1 million. What the hell? It's $1 million, and I'll teach you my strategy. But I'm joking, yeah, dude. If you want to know my strategy, bro, watch my streams, dude. But I trade EMA. I trade ICT. And then I combine it with EMA, Fibonacci, trend lines, support and resistance, order blocks, smart money concept, ICC, and I call it Cameron's bomb smoothie. Literally, dude. I've just combined every strategy in one because they're all... So yeah, I have the holy grail strategy right now. I've just combined everything into one. Yeah, but if you watch all the replay video, if you go watch all the replay streams, you will learn a shit ton, bro, about my strategy, because I talk about it a lot. Today ain't that day. Sandro! Yeah. I had something come up today, guys, unfortunately, so I had to push the stream out a bit. And I'm sorry, guys, unfortunately we trade in New York City. And, like, we know how I feel about it. I have mixed emotions with the New York session. I've had some great sessions in the past with it, then I've had some horrible sessions just because it's so much manipulation and volatility. But that's not going to stop me today. No, dude. But how can you tell me the wiggly worm don't sell? No, the Cam's wiggle worm is the bomb, dude. I'm doing good, bro. I'm doing good, man. Hope you will. I'm waiting for a certain person to come into the chat. Yesterday, he was quite arrogant, I won't lie. And he said to me, good luck on the shorts, you're gonna learn very fast. And his name is called Czar Trader. Where are you, bro? I know you're hiding behind the screen there. Come on. Because I would love to know what happened to your longs yesterday. Because when I look back, you probably got smashed stop loss right after we left stream. So come. Come on, dude. Come back. Come back. Wiggly worm. No, but it's the wiggly worm, bro. Because look. Look at my line. It looks like a wiggly worm. It looks like a big ass earthworm, dude. Like a night crawler, whatever you call these things in America. But in South Africa, we call them earthworms. Because they come from the earth. You know the worms that you put on your fishing hook when you go fishing? Or the ones the birds like to eat. You know those ones? Those long pink ones, bro. The wiggly worm. Don't worry about... No, I'm not worried about that, fool. I'm not. It's just banter. I'm just talking. You know who I am? Okay. Who am I? In your eyes, who do you see me as? Because when I look at myself in the mirror, I just see myself as the Wolf of Wall Street, so I won't lie. Like I look at the creator, the founder of the wiggly worm. I'm the father, I'm the daddy of the wiggly worm. That's what I see myself as. Bro, imagine I walk into the Wall Street offices like in New York, yeah? And and I just tell these guys, let me teach you the wiggly worm. They'll be looking at me like, this guy okay? You know what I'm saying? No. At least I'm simple, but yeah, exactly. Nothing is more frustrating than a strategy that looks like this. Okay, so let's put it this way. Guys, imagine my chart look like this right now. Okay, I'm gonna draw up something for you guys. Imagine my chart look like this. While we're waiting for New York session, imagine I had like, okay, oh my God. So here we have a liquidity sweep, price rep liquidity, and then not long after we inverted this fair value gap and we came into London high up there, like, and then on top of that we had a divergence over there, and then we also had a divergence down here, and then sitting below the divergence there was liquidity and there was a fair value gap down there, but also we have some nice trend line liquidity to target. Like, imagine that's what my chart looked like, bro. Fuck that shit, dude. Imagine that my chart, dude. For those guys that trade, okay, so this is like 90% of traders, well, how they trade nowadays, right? And then you see Cam, and Cam has just the wiggly worm, bro. Like, and then this is my chart, right? This is my chart. Yeah. Honestly, I didn't trade to overcomplicate my life like that, dude. I didn't start trading. I traded for less stress. I traded to execute, make money, and just be done for the day. That's it. Yeah, it's way too confusing, huh? But I just spoke facts, so I won't even lie. Should have clipped that. I won't lie, there's two things I love talking about in trading. I love talking about psychology because I think psychology is the biggest part of trading. But I like talking about it in the simple terms. The other thing I love talking about is how people nowadays just overcomplicate trading in every way possible, dude. Like, so frustrating, so funny, dude. I only use trend line to analyze the market. Well, cool, man. That's cool, dude. I'm assuming you did Tory Trades mentorship, no? joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. But if you did, that's okay too. It's okay too. Trend lines do work, I think, but they're not. I'm not a fan. Every strategy works. Every strategy works. Like every strategy works. I won't even lie. It's just depends. Some work better than others, but they all work. They all work. Some are more complicated than others. Some are more simpler than others, but they all work. Guys, what boosts the strategy's win rate is your psychology behind that strategy. Yeah, if you believe in the strategy, it'll work for you. But if you're trading a strategy just because you want to make money out of it, like, you're not gonna win. You need to believe in the strategy in order to make it work. I'm telling you, it's facts though. Some ICT traders do make a lot of money off that, but that's because they believe in it, you know. So their psychology works well with it. This guy, Abubka Abdurma, he trades trend lines, right? So he did Tory Trades mentorship. Like, he believes in trend lines, so it works for him. So that's it. You know what I mean? Like, that's cool. And that's probably why it works for him. No, but I love how she trades, bro. I won't even lie. I also love Tory. I love Tory Trades, but I don't love how she trades, though. I love other things. Okay, enough with the jokes. Seriously, enough now. Enough. One thing about what? One thing about Brio, because of his nonchalance, chalance, you might think he doesn't know what he's doing, but he really does. Being nonchalant just makes it cool. Why do I feel like I've heard that word before? Chalant. Or am I saying it wrong? Am I being stupid now? But I've heard that word before. Every strat works. Everyone wants the best of the best. You need to find what works for you. Yeah, exactly. Every strategy out there works. I think that's why with stream I have a lot of people coming on here sometimes telling me, oh Cam, why are you selling when it's better? Do you know what I mean? Everyone sees things differently, you know, and that's completely normal when it comes to trading. So yeah, that's why I don't fight people's opinions. When people try to give me their opinion of what the market's going to do, I say to them, that's cool. Follow your own bias, man. Because I can be wrong too. Oh, it was a compliment. Thanks, bro. Sorry, dude, I don't know. Yeah, I'm sorry, bro. I didn't understand that word. Challenge. I swear I've heard that word before, dude. Guys, 9 minutes until the New York market open, yeah? Let's get ready to rumble. No one is perfect. Yeah, nobody is perfect, bro. The only perfect thing in this world is my dog, dude. Bailey. Bailey's perfect. Bailey's perfect. And do you know what else is perfect? Biltong. Biltong from South Africa is perfect. And a braai. And I really, really, really miss that stuff, bro. I really miss biltong, a braai, and a South African beer, dude. I need to start making plans to go back. I won't even lie. I'm thinking of going back to Cape Town, guys, this coming summer in Europe. So I'll maybe go back in August. I need biltong, dude. I need South African meat, bro. I need that. Bro, do you know, what's his? Michael Barry. Dude, here in France, bro, these people here sell jerky, dude. Jerky. I eat jerky every week, bro, because I'm trying to like fulfill the void of not having biltong. It's horrible, bro. So it's not horrible, but it's just not the same, dude. It's just like, jerky's so weird, bro. I don't even know how to explain what it even is. Like, it's just weird, bro. I don't know how they got it so wrong. You know what I mean? Like, how do you even create jerky? Like, jerky's, it's nice, but compared to biltong, dude, it's, I've actually got some. And on the jerky packet, there's a Mr. Beast logo, dude. Like, what the hell is that about, bro? I'm gonna show you. I actually want it out. Let me get my jerky. Wait. Give me a moment. Guys, look at this rubbish, dude. Look at that rubbish, bro. Mr. Beef jerky. That's the closest thing I can get to biltong, bro. And my dog loves it. Guys, here's Bailey. Here's Bailey. And Bailey loves it. Hey, sit down. Do you want some of Mr. Beast meat, huh? She loved Mr. Beast meat. Oh. Yes, it's cool, huh? It's cool for you, but me, I don't know. No, it's horrible, dude. Run! It's horrible, bro. But I still eat it. I don't know why. Okay, guys, 5 minutes, man. Let's see if we can get above EMA. You want some more? No, it's disgusting, bro. But do you know why I eat it? Because it's protein. Okay. Enough now. Come out. Get out. I stay in Fishhook. Bro, I used to live in Noordhoek, dude. I promise you, bro. I used to live in Noordhoek, bro. And my ex-girlfriend used to live in Fishhook. And I used to go surfing in Komaki almost every day. Okay, price is selling off now. Guys, for some reason, I'm like thinking we're gonna have a sell off. We might sell off this New York Open. Let's see. I don't know. All right. Yo, okay. Let's see what happens, guys. What NQ wants to do. I need to let this thing play out, I won't lie. If we can start getting above EMA, that would be good, but... One minute. Let's go. Let's get ready, guys. Let's get locked in. Okay, Cam is locked in. Okay. What's gonna happen? Yo, price is hitting that level, guys, and it is rejecting off that level. That daily is still trying to get above. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Just have to be super, super, super. NQ, bro, don't do it, bro. Don't take off, dude. Okay, guys, ding, 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 ding. New York Open, yeah? NQ, don't do it, bro. Give us time to get in. Price is playing below EMA, guys. We're not... If price does sell off, it's going to be very, temporary, I think. But I want the buyers, guys. I do want the buyers. I do want the buy. Holy shit. Okay, hold on, hold on. Guys, if this 2 minute, I'm on the 2 minute now, right? I am on the 2 minute time frame. Because I have the 5 minute, I'm not going to have enough time to get in. Take this at your own risk, guy. I'm using... Whew. Lie, this it's already, the range is already big. Take this at your, if you guys decide to copy my trade, take this at your own risk. It's extremely volatile. But yeah, longs. I want the buy, man. I'm waiting.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm getting in long. I'm getting in long. Let's see, chat. Let's see. So guys, Cameron the Great is long on the wiggly worm. I'm long Yeah, I don't know how far this thing can push though. I'm not gonna set a TP right now, guys, because this thing might I do want to see NQ push, I won't lie, quite high. So let's see how big of a trade we can get. I'm in with 1 mini. Here we go. Come on. Now we need to get back above this level that we're currently coming into, because we already did fail at one time. We need to get back above. Hi, bro. Hi. Where was yesterday's high? Yesterday's high. Okay, this is yesterday's high. If we can get above, maybe we come up to, what day are we today? Wednesday. Maybe we can come up to Monday's high. Is the final T? I don't know. That is quite far away. I won't even lie. Okay, so if we can continue the buys up into yesterday's high, which is sitting over here. Let's see if we can buy into yesterday's high, right? So if we can get above this key level into yesterday's high, that's when I'll go break even on this trade. And honestly, guys, this thing, if we can hold above yesterday's high, we might continue a lot higher. But yeah, whatever. Let's see. This 5 minute must flip now. Let me make my stop a bit more bigger to breathe. I really ain't the biggest fan of New York session, bro. Look at this. This is why I hate it, dude. Honestly. If this taps me out, guys, I'm not trading again today. Fuck that. I'm out. Yeah, I'm out, guys. That's me out. I'm not trading. I'm not taking another trade today. I'm cool. I'm not going to force another trade at all. Yeah, this is why I don't trade New York session often. Why I trade before, because the volume, the manipulation is so high. Like, yo, I don't even know if this is going to keep going down right now, to be honest. If I go to the 15, damn, look at this 15, bro. Absolutely melting right now. It flipped so hard. Yeah, Nifa, that's cool. That's cool. Trade your plan. That's what I always say. bad. Yeah, I think that's me done for the day, guys. I don't think I'm going to take another trade at all. I think that's going to be me done for sure. I have a doctor's appointment anyways to go to in the next 20 minutes, so. Honestly, it's pulling back, but I mean, I don't. This thing could keep selling off for sure. I mean, I can't say. I can't say. But yeah, guys, I love you all so much. Yeah, so I just traded the pre-New York into the New York Open today. Tomorrow we go back normal schedule, right? So tomorrow we'll be streaming the Wiggly Worm at 5 a.m. New York time, right? We'll be back on our normal session again tomorrow, guys. I just jumped on New York session just to give you guys a little something, but clearly there's not something. So with that being said, I love you all so much. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you all tomorrow on the Wiggly Worm session, guys. Peace and love.